See, fourth part, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. In this question, it's given that if the train is traveling in uniform speed, he covers the distance 480 km, means the distance is given 480 km. But the situation is given if the speed had been 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर लेस. अगर जब यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से चल रही थी, उस स्पीड में अगर 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड अगर कम कर दी जाए, लेस कर दी जाए, तो वो ट्रेन जब वो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड में चल रही थी और जो 480 किलोमीटर जब उसने डिस्टेंस कवर किया, उसमें वो जब स्पीड कम कर देते हैं 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर, तो वो 3 आवर्स ज़्यादा लेती है. उस सिचुएशन में हमको स्पीड फाइंड करनी ट्रेन की. In the solution, let the uniform speed be x kilometer per hour. Okay, and the distance is given 480 kilometer. As we know, the time is equal to distance upon speed. So time is equal to distance. Distance is given 480 kilometer upon speed. Speed of a train in uniform speed of a train is given. We have taken let as x. So time is equal to 480 upon x hour. Okay, that was case first. In case second, if the speed had been 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर लेस, अगर हम स्पीड, उसकी जो स्पीड है नॉर्मल स्पीड, उससे हम अगर 8 किलोमीटर स्पीड कम कर दें, तो न्यू स्पीड विल बी x माइनस 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर. क्योंकि यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड हम लोगों ने x एज्यूम की है, और बाय द सेकंड केस स्पीड में x 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर अगर कम हो जाता है, तो न्यू स्पीड हो जाएगी x माइनस 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर. उस टाइम वो जो टाइम है वो 3 आवर्स ज़्यादा लेता है. तो टाइम इज इक्वल टू 480 अपॉन x, दैट इज़ टाइम टेकन बाय द ट्रेन इफ़ वी ट्रेवल इन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. लेकिन जब स्पीड कम हो जाती तो उस समय 3 आवर्स ज़्यादा, तो वी हैव टू ऐड 3 आवर्स. ओके, नाउ कम टू दिस टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. व्हेन वी फाइंड द डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू टाइम इनटू स्पीड. सो स्पीड इनटू टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस. ओके, एंड डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ट्रेन, distance covered by the train is given 480 kilometer. Okay, so speed is x minus 8 into time is 480 upon x plus 3 is equal to distance. Distance is given 480. Now simplify this equation to express in standard form of quadratic equation. Now we remove the bracket. X is multiplied with this 480 upon x, it would be like that, and x is multiplied with this 3, it will be plus 3x, minus 8 is multiplied with the first term of this bracket, minus 8 into 480, it will be 3840 upon x, plus minus 8 into 3, so minus 24 is equal to 480. Now in first term x are cancelled, what is left? 480, and so it would be written 3x minus 3840 upon 2, and 480 minus 24, this constant term will transpose to other side, so 480 copy as such, and minus 480 from left hand side to right hand side, and minus 24 to plus 24. Okay, so by taking LCM in left hand side, so it would be 3x square minus 3840 upon x, okay, is equal to this 480 will be cancelled. What is left in right side is 24. Now this transpose this x to other side. So 3x square minus 3840 is equal to 24 into x is equal to 24x. Okay, now express in standard form. So 3x square minus 24x is minus 3840 is equal to 0. That is the required quadratic equation of the given situation. If you want to find the value of x, can be find, it would be simplified like that by taking 3 as common. So in the bracket x square minus 8x minus, just divide this 3840 by 3, it would be 1280 is equal to 0. Then the required quadratic equation will be x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. That's your answer. If you want to find the value of x, we have 3 methods to find, but in the coming exercise we have to study about it.